Hoi, ik ben Jolene en ik kom bij Theo mijn haar knippen voor de tweede keer. En ik wil...
Ja, de tweede keer dat je bij de kapper bent, hè?
Oh ja, de tweede keer dat ik bij de kapper ben. En ja, ik wil een kleurtje in mijn haar, maar niet permanent, want dat is zonde voor mijn haar.
Ja, dat klopt. Wil je alsjeblieft een rondje rijden? Wil je turn around? Dankjewel.
Hello friends on YouTube, gonna do her hair, and this is the second time she is on YouTube, with hairdressers, not on YouTube. She's never been on YouTube, and she's related to Robin also, so maybe see it in the lines a bit. I'm gonna do her hair. Nowadays all the young girls of our age have long hair, so I will certainly do her long hair. But first I start with washing her hair. She never experienced that, so I will lay her in the sink, wash her hair, and then after that I do the cut and then I do a toner. We'll be back. Kia washed her hair with a deep cleansing shampoo, so put it to the front. Give her a wonderful yellow cape. And I use the deep cleansing shampoo to get a hold for the toner we put on it. I start brushing her hair with the tangle teaser. This doesn't damage the hair at all. And I'll make a cut with the TCC1 care cut of Jaguar. Because it's natural hair, I put the scissor on 140 degrees Celsius. And show you how long her hair is. Now she has wonderful hair till this length, and this is all very dry and into a thin hairstyle, so I want to create a more volume, more power, but also a stronger hairstyle. So I'll take off about 12 centimeters, and then she has wonderful hair again. Start by laying the hair on the back, away the cape, so I have a straight line to work on. Combing the hair, then I bend her head to the front, make sure the back is laying flat, all the hair is just the same length. And take off that dry end. The wonderful thing about this scissor is that it seals the hairs and stays closed for more than 4 months. So the hair stays in wonderful condition. You see how much thicker the hair is when just this small amount of hair comes up. Now I have the length of her hair, so now I control it, that I'm taking the hair from behind the ears, take it to the center, watch if the length are both the same, and they are. Now I part the hair over the center of her skull, and lay it to the front, then I'll turn her around. Now I'm going to work all the hairs to the front. Make sure I get all the length cut. The part I took off on the back, you can see that when you take this off on this length, you have also better hair because it's much thicker. Normally the thickness of her hair would be this, and now it will be that. And when I cut it the next time, it will be this all the way. So from the end to the cutting line, it will be the same length and the same thickness. Bend her head to the front. Start from the center of the skull. When you see now how the hair is laying, this is the length that it is being cut. This is not being cut yet. Now you can see this is one length hair, because when the hair is in this position and you cut it on the back in a straight line, you get the opposite line. So this line will be that line, you have a straight line. Now if you want some layers in it, you can cut it in a straight line. You have a little bit layers, and the farther you go up, the more layers you get. You can also cut it in an asymmetrical line by going into here to the length there and then make a shorter cut here. So it's very easy to cut it this way. So first I start by going to the cutting line and then make it a bit straight, so I have a little bit layers, not too much. Connect them on the corners. Do the same on this side. So if you would like to have more layers, I go higher up. The higher I go, the more layers they get. The higher you go, also the hair looks longer. Especially with younger girls than she is, they always want to get the longest hair. Then with cutting this line higher up, the hair looks longer. So you can trick them a bit by giving the parents what they want and the children also what they want, because they have the feeling that they have long hair, but still there's a lot of. So now I'm ready with the cut, and now I can give her a nice toner color. I will give her a color of Keunen. And then I do in the sink. Okay, back from coloring with the conditioner. This is the color I used. It's from Keunen and it gives a transparent color, but there you see all the beauty of her natural hair, and otherwise it will be camouflaged under the toners or the colors you put on, and that I don't want. I want to get it into her life, because otherwise it's too hard. Now to nurse her hair I use a curl cream of Keunen. This nurses the hair because there's a lot of moisture into this product. Massage it gently into her hair. Now she has lovely wavy hair. Not too much curls. I could put it in a straight line, but I don't like that because I think a bit wavy is nicer on her. I will use a diffuser to dry her hair. Just lay the hair in natural waves into the blower and then just gently dry it. Now to give it just a wonderful shine, I didn't dry it totally because then you get a bit nasty effect in the hairs. And she has a bit wavy hair, so I love the way her hair feels. It's ultra soft now. So I put in a gloss, and more than that I don't do. And this is her haircut. A new color.
Gaaf man.
Oké, je mag je haar laten zien. En je mag het dadelijk, als je aan de achterkant een beetje laten weven, dat je kunt zien hoe het eruit ziet. Dus draai maar langzaam rond. Wil je aan de achterkant dan even laten zien, als je het een beetje zo opgooit, hoe mooi de valling is?
Ja, dus gewoon een beetje.
Ja, gewoon, ja, en dan gewoon inderdaad op je schouders. En hoe voelt je haar?
Heel zacht.
Yeah, I ask her how her hair feels, and it feels ultra soft. Okay, I thank her for being my mother, bedankt. And I thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Till next time, bye bye.